May I have your attention, please?
The innovation in the field of rail and metro, all the international technology available in the rolling stock is coming to India.
It's not just the manufacture of the train or the manufacture of the locomotive, it's also development of the supply chains.
The Indian government is encouraging Make in India and Skill India, and this is also giving opportunity for multinational to set up the factories in India.
These projects are transformational in terms of the impact that they would have on the Indian economy per se.